Welcome to B15 Basics, presented by the Bitcoin 15. In today's episode, we will be answering the question, what is a fiat currency? What is a fiat currency? A fiat currency is a form of money issued by a government's central bank and is not backed by anything of value. Common examples of fiat currencies are the dollar, the euro, and the pound sterling. Government-issued currencies like the dollar and pound used to be backed by gold as a way to peg their value to something. Since the central banks control the supply of these currencies and they are no longer backed by gold or some other store of value, there's little to stop governments from just printing more money into existence when they need to pay for something. So what are the consequences to central banks just printing more money? Economists debate the pros and cons of fiat currencies and the ability of governments to just print more money. What can't be debated is that in the long run, the currency is debased in value and consumers lose buying power. However, this can be used by governments to help put money in the hands of their citizens, as we are seeing with stimulus checks and bailing out of businesses. Or the governments can use them to pay for other expenses like wars, infrastructure, research, or foreign aid. Government bailouts of companies undermines the free market, which would be seen as a negative by many, especially if your competitor got bailed out and you use sound business practices to not require a bailout. If a government prints too much, they risk hyperinflation, which causes all trust to be lost in the currency as a store of value, and it fails. Examples in history include Germany in the 1920s, Zimbabwe in the late 2000s, and Venezuela in the 2010s, and still ongoing. In conclusion, fiat currencies are a form of money issued by central banks and are not backed by anything of value. Without being pegged to a gold standard or some other store of value, fiat currencies are therefore good short-term mediums of exchange, but are vulnerable to inflation and are not a good option for a long-term store of value due to loss of buying power. Bitcoin presents a solution to these problems and acts as a hedge against fiat currencies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button to help our channel, and leave us a comment about other B15 Basics episodes you'd like to see. For more Bitcoin content, check out our weekly episodes where we discuss the latest headlines in the world of Bitcoin in about 15 minutes, which come out every Sunday. And watch out for more episodes of B15 Basics to learn about other terms that are commonly used in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.